Hey, to all of our fantastic friends at Gateway, just want to take this opportunity to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas and all the best for 2012. We just love you guys. It's always such a privilege and an honour for us to work with you and to work with such fantastically talented and gifted people. People who have such a heart for God and got such a great calling of God upon their lives. Have a fantastic Christmas. We look forward to working with you guys again and seeing you all again in the new year. God bless you.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the Morisa family in Alaska.
Surprise! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Shout out to the GIM family. Thank you for having us. You guys are such a blessing. Thank you to my mom's sisters and their husbands and their kids. May God bless you all. Thank you for everything that you guys have done for us. And just a big shout out to the GIM worship team. You guys are awesome. I love watching you guys on Facebook and on YouTube. Keep up the good work and keep in touch. Right. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye!
Au tātou sauri atu ina I tātou mawasi Christmas fia fia. Tai tonu lava I le anga lei o le atua. Tai mailo tu soifua ma le ola. Ia nei wa po e atu ai se tau talanga o te alofa tele atu. Le auna ma le whalatua ma le whalo. Whapea le pai o le kalesia. Tātou sauni e whatalitali le pepelo na whanau mai. Ina I whanau fowina ai o tātou loto. Tātou te whatalitali atu ai I le tue whiu mai Iesu. Ia whamani e tele atu le atua. I le nai tu o le ngaruenga le atua. Ia whamani e fo I le atua. I le nei tu le auna ma le whalitua ai maise. Le nei a inga. Ia malipa ia o sia matu e kalesia o alo whaanga ia maluia le Kirisimasi ma le tausanga fōu suafa Iesu. Amen.
Hi, my name is Grace. This is Gloria and Mikey. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Uncle and Auntie. Pastor. Merry Christmas, Gateway. Love from Gilbert family. Bye. Merry Christmas, Gateway. I love you, Tim. You're the best teacher ever. Bye.
Hey guys, it's Tina from Seattle. I just want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm at home church in New Zealand. Gateway, I love and I miss you guys. I pray that one day soon we'll be able to reunite, but until then we'll keep you guys in prayers as you guys keep us in prayers. Again, I love and miss you guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, Gateway. God bless. Bye.
Malo nam soifua, nam wiki smasi man tosang fo. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. A big shout out to Gateway Church and the pastors and all of the team. Just on behalf of my wife and I in Rock Church, we'll be seeing you guys. You're going to have a blessed service this morning, so enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe, keep hungry for Jesus, we love you, we miss you, no doubt we'll touch base, so God bless you, on behalf of the Rock Church.
Hi Gateway, we're the Hindibay family from Cairns. We would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah!
Merry Christmas, Gateway! Merry Christmas, Gateway. Special mentions to Pastor Ngalu Malemana and wife Annie. Merry Christmas also to the worship team. You guys have been such a blessing to us.
Special mentions to our Auntie Leilanis, Auntie Tulama and Auntie Malitina, their partners and their kids. Also special mentions to all the fathers, the mothers, the youths and the kids at Gateway Ministry. We love you guys. All the way from Sydney, Australia, from Tia and Toi. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!